Well, hello and welcome back, my friends. All right, can you sell a home with code violations in Central Ohio? You probably won't even know about the code violations until you attempt to sell the home. In this case, it will be a home buyer's inspector that will inform you of this issue. Furthermore, there are literally hundreds, if not thousands of codes to keep up with. So tracking them can be a little tough. Here are the most common in Central Ohio. These are the common code violations that people are currently working with. Most violations occur when a homeowner adds more living space to the home without obtaining permits prior. Another common violation occurs when water heaters or electrical points are installed without proper permission. I've also seen roofing that has failed flame-resistant tests and smoke detectors that weren't up to code. What happens next? If the code violation is easy to fix, you can do so before the home even goes into an inspection. For instance, if you know that you do not have CO2 detectors installed on every floor, install them before you put your home on the market. If the code violation is more complicated, this is when things can get a little bit sticky. But every buyer wants to be provided with a clear title. This means when you buy a home, you want to be assured that that home is free of encumbrances and that another particular buyer would also want to buy the home if you choose to sell it in the near future. Okay, if you have code violations, the title is not clear and very few people would want to buy the house. So you must remove these violations prior to selling. All right, how are we going to fix the code violations? Well, if you think that your house may be in violation, contact the municipality immediately. Usually they are willing to work with some homeowners to resolve these issues. Also, if you have liens, sanctions, or fines, you may be able to negotiate them down to a reasonable amount. And then once you have a clear picture of the exact violation, you can hire a contractor to obtain the proper permitting and bring the issues back up to code. Of course, you'll have to pay for these permits, the labor, and the fines. But once this is all done, you can put your home on the market with ease. Oh, and hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite key realty agent in and around Central Ohio. So if you're thinking about making that move to Columbus, Ohio, or the surrounding areas, go ahead and press that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell for notifications so you can be one of the first to know about the current market in Central Ohio. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making that move to Columbus, Ohio. So just as long as you know, we love it. So just give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. So if you're thinking about moving in 9 days or 90 days or 190 days, give us a call. Let us know what we can do to help. So we want to make your transaction and your moving a smooth one. And that's what our job is, and that's what we love to do. We are that go-to team to help. Don't forget, we are always in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.